Everybody, Gunsmoke Tactical back out at the range. Time for another firearm video. Hey, I got the JTS MK12 Sega 12 clone, 12 gauge. Let's take it down range. Automatic, semi-automatic. Let's see how she do. Okay. Let's see how she did. All over the place. This is my first time taking her out, so okay, all right. She got down in the body there real good. All right. Okay, it's worth the money. Okay, it's a third of the Sega, third of the cost of the Sega 12. Dependable firearm. Can't beat it for the fun. Can't beat it for home protection. Can't beat it for range day. All right. Remember, the JTS MK12 semi-automatic AK style 12 gauge shotgun. Gunsmoke Tactical out. Remember, like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.